Hey, what's up, guys? Whew. And I tell you, it is shoot, what is it? Maybe six or so on Sunday night. This storm kind of took a while to get here. I got some time lapse outside of my front window of the storm kind of beginning, like on Friday, and then like nothing happened. So I think I restarted it Friday night, and it was supposed to like hit yesterday, Saturday, and all throughout the night. It started pretty much at night, and it's been going like this. It's been going like this like all day. We're under a blizzard warning now, and I don't know, I think they're calling for 18 inches. I don't know exactly how much is out there right now, but roads are pretty bad. I'm gonna do my driveway. I haven't gone out yet to do mine because we're still supposed to get another 3 to 6 from tonight into tomorrow morning. So instead of having to do it this afternoon, then have to go back again tomorrow, I'm just gonna do it all tomorrow. And I'm having a guy, his name's Matt. He's gonna help me. He actually worked with the guy who I used to work with, so I know him. We've worked together for a little bit. He's a real cool guy, so hopefully he won't mind some video of that. But this is, you know, this is what happens in March in Colorado. I'm gonna put this on my head, do some time lapse of me doing my driveway and sidewalk. I expect to do it again tomorrow, but I'm probably going out at about 6 a.m. tomorrow, so I just want to get the bulk of it off. Jeez, man. It's like really coming down. So I'm driving out my driveway in the morning. It's not compacting. And then when I come back from doing my yards tomorrow, I can only hopefully do 3 inches or so. Yeah. There's some street guys. I don't know if they're actually for the neighborhood or if they're going to do like a school or something. Enjoy. That was a lot of work. So I gotta say, the snowblower did pretty well, as long as the snow that I was blowing was making it into spots where I don't need to use a snowblower. I don't know if that makes sense. Right here, I cut it down the middle and shoot half of it that way and the other half this way. So with this being so heavy, it wasn't throwing it as far. So a lot of it was just going where I'm going to snowblow. So that just packed it down and made it more deep. But once I was able to kind of clear like one path, I then just kind of keep shooting it out as best as I can. I mean, it didn't do too bad. I don't know how the time-lapse footage turned out on that. Tomorrow's gonna suck. But yeah, hopefully with me getting this done, load up my my equipment, I could just pull out in the morning, go knock out mine. No, I don't think it's gonna be snowing that much more. It's more windy than anything. So it'll be interesting to see how much actually does fall on my driveway over the course of the night. This, I don't think I'm gonna be using it for at least a week. We're supposed to be in like the mid to upper 30s till Wednesday. And I think we're supposed to get up to almost 60 by the weekend. So while we might have a lot of melting going on this week, there's no way this is all going to be gone by next week. Which sucks, because this week I was actually going to be starting my leaf cleanups. And then the following week I was going to be doing my aerations and fertilizings. And we're halfway through March. We could get another snowstorm like this at any time. I don't know if you can see that. It's almost up to my elbow. I know, I kind of want to get my truck and just go drive a little bit. You know? Nah, I can do that tomorrow. 18, 24 inches maybe? 18, 20. One thing about my pricing that I want to talk to you guys about, and I don't know, give me what you guys think. You know, whether if you guys do snow, if you're thinking about doing snow, like what you would do for your pricing. Because most of my customers are $30 to $35 for 1 to 4 inches, $45 for 4 to 7, and then $50 to $55 for 7 to 9. And then at 9 inches and over, I think I have one customer that's like $7 an inch. A few of them are $8 an inch. A couple of them are $9 an inch. And I think I have one or two that's actually $10 an inch. And that's because they want me to do their driveway, which I don't do many driveways. And I don't want to do many driveways, especially if it's like this. So, you know, if that's 18 inches, you know, it's $180 to do walks leading up to the door and a driveway. That's a lot of money. I know it is. You're going to be able to find like the neighborhood kid that's like going up and down after snowstorms like this, you know, to do it for like $30. But if you're using shovels, that's going to take forever. And I can't work for $30, less than $30 an hour. So I know it's going to be interesting to see tomorrow. I'm going to be writing my time down, you know, so I can just make sure that I am profitable. And if I am making money, you know, I could maybe, if I'm doing really good, I don't know, maybe I could drop the price down a little bit. I don't know yet. But the last snowstorm we had, I only had one lady complain. She was like $112. And she was a corner lot, and she wanted one strip through the street gutter. And she said it was about twice as much as what she was expecting. You know, that storm was 14 inches. Yeah, let me know down in the comments below what you guys do for pricing, if you do snow removal. Or, you know, or even let me know if my prices seem too high. I doubt they seem too low, or just about right. Because my thinking behind all of my pricing was to cover myself when we get March and April storms that are like this. Because there's no way I could like do a driveway and walk, you know, for like $55. So I don't know. It's my first year doing this. It's my first year offering it. That's my thinking behind it. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell to get notified when I do upload new videos. More videos are going to be coming out as the spring gets going, just obviously because there's more work to do. You know, so I'm going to be doing some how-tos, you know, sharpening blades, my lawn care setup, more time lapses, and, you know, just more vlogs. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you in the next one. Later.